Okay, this is the house. It's this one with the weird thingy right there. There's the front of it. 2-car garage. Okay, it's white brick. Everything looks really nice. This was an older person's home. And, okay, the house was built in 1962. There's a fan in every room. There is wood floor all under this carpet. This carpet can be pulled, or she said, there's your cable connection. These rooms are huge. There's a closet, there's a coat closet. These are all the doors in the whole house are the roll-away doors, so they don't open out into the room. This is a French door right here. This also has closing roll-away doors so that you can close off the rest of the house. This is a massive kitchen. Whoops. This is all done right now in white. This is the kitchen area. There's where the refrigerator goes. These are the little, there's lots of cabinet room. This is so pretty. Everything is done. Right now it's all painted in white with the little gold fixtures, white fan, white everything. That can all be taken down, the little fruit stuff around there. This door right here goes to the garage, the 2-car garage, and that's where the washer and dryer hookups are. This goes down the hall to the bedrooms. Here is like a dining area. This is plenty big enough. The floors are probably wood under here. Well, most definitely they are. You can pull up any of this, but this is brand new, really nice linoleum. That's the door to the backyard. Plenty of windows everywhere. So, here we go down the hall. This is the first bedroom. This is the second largest bedroom, and it is really big. This room is massive compared to the newer houses. They all have, there's another rollaway. These are all really big closets. You can't see, but this thing is 3 feet deep and 6 feet wide. So that's a 3x6 closet. Fan in all the rooms. This is the, it's in the hall right here. That's the water heater on that side, and then that's the heater on this side. It's all central heat and air. This is the smallest bedroom, which is still probably 13, I think, by 16, I think is what it said. That's another really big closet. That one is also 3 by 6. Big, nice windows. This is an estate, there was an estate sale here not too long ago. This little bathroom right here, this is the guest bath.